Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you all how I make a rose water. So first off, like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and let's get right into the video. So for this video, of course I'm not wearing gloves because this is for my personal use. So we're gonna start with, of course you want something to measure. We're gonna start with 1 cup of water. And then we're gonna do like 1/4 of either fresh rose petals or dried up rose petals and rose buds. It really depends on you, but I have dried up rose petals, so that's what I'm going to use. And don't mind my fingers. But yeah, so now what we're gonna do is put either distilled water or purified water into this. So I'm gonna put 1 cup. So 1 cup is right here. Y'all can't see. So I'm gonna get my purified water and I'm gonna just put it in there. 1 cup. Okay, that's good. So that's 1 cup. And then now I'm gonna bring y'all with me and I'm gonna put it in the big pan. Okay, so I have my 1 cup of water. So here's my pan right here. So I'm pouring my water in there. And then now I'm gonna do 1/4 of a, what's it called? Of dried up rose petals. So I'm gonna show y'all. Here are my rose buds and petals. I got this off of Amazon. And yeah. So you can, like I said, you can use it for a DIY beauty, tea, and all these other things. But yeah. So let me come over here so I have more space. And I'm gonna show y'all, to put, you know, 1/4 of dried up rose buds. Okay, so the 1/4 line is actually, hold on, I can't even see once again, is to like the second, kind of below the second line. So I'm gonna do that. You're just gonna pour it in there. Okay, so here is the rose petals and rose buds. Now let's put it in here. Ooh. Okay, I'm trying to get everything out. Okay, that's all right. So you kind of want to move it around. So that's good. I actually might need to add more water because the rose petals actually soaks up some of the water. So I'm gonna put a little bit more water. So I filled it up halfway to a cup. I'm gonna pour it in there. Yay. There you go. There's still some roses in there. I'm just gonna rinse this out, but I'm not gonna show y'all me rinsing me out. So there you go. And then now you're gonna put on the stove to we're gonna put it to 5. Actually, yeah, 5. That's good. And then of course I have my top. So then you're just gonna leave the top on. There you go. And you're gonna let it simmer. Kind of move it around like once again. But yeah, there you go. And we're just gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes or until the red color becomes dull. And then that's when you know, oh, it's time to take it out. And yeah, so as you all can see, like the top is like, you know, getting all fogged up, but that's really good because it traps the heat inside. And then, you know, see, there you go. So now it's like kind of boiling. All right, see how the color is getting like more dull? That's really good. That's how you know it's getting ready. But we have a couple more minutes more. And then after this, I'm going to show you guys how I'm just going to put it in the strainer. And then the water is going to get into the measuring cup. And then I'm going to put it in my little spray bottle. And yeah. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks like. That's how you know once the color is gone. Like it's dull, it's brownish. That's how you know your rose water is ready. So hopefully, because I've done this before, and hopefully the water doesn't come out as red as my other one, since I put a lot more water than before. Okay. Yeah, the water's still dark. That's annoying. Okay, so that's the color of my rose water. It's kind of like a dark color, and it's so annoying. I don't know why. I guess I put too much rose buds and, you know, rose petals, but it's whatever. So here I have my container. So this is still kind of hot, so I'm gonna let it cool off for a little bit. And then I'm gonna put it in here halfway, and then I'm gonna put my aloe vera juice. And yeah, and then usually I would put my rose essential oil, but I have no idea where it is. So but if I find it, I'll put it in here. Okay, so then now I'm gonna fill it up. I'm gonna try to get it halfway. Oh, okay, that's a little more than halfway. And then I'm gonna add my aloe vera juice. I'm gonna put a little bit out. Yeah, and then now I'm gonna add my aloe vera juice. Here you go. And I couldn't find my rose essential oil, so it sucks, but it's all good. But there you go, and you can shake it, and that is your rose water. So this is more like rose water plus aloe vera, but you'll get the same benefits. It doesn't matter what the color is. But yeah, so I have my other one, so you can actually store this in the refrigerator, and it will last you a long period of time. But if you keep it out, it will last you about a week or two, mostly like a week. But if it's like exposed to the sun, then it will last like a week or less. But yeah, this is how you make rose water. So this is how the rose water looks up close. Yeah, it looks, you see it has more of the pinkish color. I really like it. And this will like smell a lot better if you had rose essential oil, and you'll get that extra benefit from the rose essential oil. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment down below.